Look at that, my light goes on and everything. There's Timmy. You're gonna give her. Well, probably not give her, but give her enough so as we hear. Yeah. Oh, listen to that here. That sounds amazing. Okay, here goes Timmy. Just a little bit of a drive-by. That probably stopped me from being able to speak. Oh, here he's turning around. Wonder if we can zoom in on this hooer. No, no, yeah, okay. No, no, no. That actually sounded so dirty. Okay, come back and get me, you bastard. Yeah, very good. Gotta get yourself situated, I guess. Okay, here he comes. She's very calm. Okay, yeah. Oh. That actually sounded good.
My first car was an old rust bucket, but man, I loved it like it was new.